Hello and welcome to this course. I'm going to be an instructor and my name is Erik and I'm from Sweden. I'm 22 years old and I love programming or developing software in general, you could say. Websites, Discord bots, other cool applications, Arduino. I like building stuff that might be useful or it's fun to do. I've also done a few game development in Unity, in JavaScript and in Visual Basic. I like learning new things, and recently I studied Discord bots, and I really like developing Discord bots because it's fun and it's pretty easy for me because I understand Node.js and programming in general. So for me, it took me like about one day to completely understand how to analyze the objects and what to do, how to create the bots and the way it works. So some quick thing I can mention is that the bot doesn't actually only respond to the certain commands. It does actually read every single message that is presented, but it looks for certain kind of messages, like a command, to actually do something. So the bot actually reads every single line that you write. I'm a certified .NET developer and I studied at the Polytech University called Teknikhögskolan. I'm also the owner of a company called Shackle. Shackle is my attempt in taking my programming skills and trying to create applications to make money. So basically I'm trying to use my creativity to actually make money on that. So I'm going to try and turn my hobby into my livelihood. And if I manage to do that, I'm going to be very happy and I'm going to be able to sustain myself doing the things I love, which is programming and building software. I also like teaching, but the problem is I've never been that good at something so I can teach someone. Up until now, I can actually teach you how to build Discord bots, and I'm going to explain some concepts. And I also have another goal for 2019 when it comes to teaching, since I studied a lot of web development and web design, and I've been practicing my skills there a lot. I'm actually going to create courses that teaches you web development and web design, and I teach you some nice tricks that I use myself. I'm really looking forward to your responses. But first, I'm going to show you my main website. This is my main website, Shackle Developers version 2.1.6. And there is quite a few things here. I have not added any animation, so it's pretty basic. You can see these images, like what I do. Software development, you can read here. You can read some goals. These are a bit outdated. An old image of me. And what I really do. So you can see the footer is also really nice, and this is my mail. If you go to web development, and you can see I have like the backend experiences that I use and what I use in the front end, my server, and then browser games, what I make these out of, etc, etc. And I have a dev blog that I have not used that much. But this dev blog I write about Shackle. You can see describe this issue problem, how this update affects you, further notes, etc. Then I also have a backlog. This backlog is not really that updated because I have not added anything relative to Discord bots. So these are basically stuff that I were supposed to do, but I started developing Discord bots instead, and now I'm developing this course. But these things are going to be something that I will work on when this course is uploaded, or actually finished. And then sitemap links within this website. And I love teaching, and that's why I actually created this course. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next lecture.